Murigereria kerokeria gwizarete nete bintu bito etanane egendrete kubuli na kuruwa bokonyi gochia abantu lero gukuno mono anene chingiti choro sana ni gaseri tukulero mubunge Ogwesi Mugrango Steve Mogaka agani ensemo ya Gusii nero kunyorwa gekogera ebintu biroro ane chingiti choro sana charokane gosalia ebimeli kolengana Steve Mogaka gukona sebunga litukulia lero nigate yabuna ibirongo bire sorogongo rwa Gusii ngo byarokane gosalia ndagira ane koirani enseli salio Gusii gatebire kere serikali kuligiri chingiti chinde cyo sana bayigo baligererie birongo aya sorongo rwa Gusii ibona atebire na birobya abantu bali birongo byarendagara yabo nabaro bakanwe kubwatekana buna ecyonga chingiti cyo sana kolengana nere na boli otebire buna asiri tukulia rero ni gateba buna abagusimba tigara maiga aso wakanwe kukora chikurwegwa ne serikali.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I like the debate about monkeys, and they are also equally a menace in Kisii, in Gusii region, which is a tea-growing area. But I want to add to the minister's menu the menace of squirrels. Squirrels, the botanical name of squirrels is Ebirongo, and the botanical name. And even the English people, in that region, Gusii, there is a region actually which has been called Virongo in Kisii County to forewarn the Gusii farmers that these Virongo are a menace. And I'm asking the minister, are these squirrels part of the wildlife? And if so, because they have made our farmers stop growing potatoes, they are destroying maize. Are they among the animals that are supposed to be under wildlife? And therefore, I have not seen Gusii region included in the list of compensation. And therefore, is this a clear discrimination? When are we going to see Gusii people being compensated for the destruction by these squirrels? Otherwise, again, we will be protesting, saying the ministry is discriminating against us.
In the third schedule, squirrels are not in the third schedule for compensation, and therefore it will not be possible for compensation unless this House refuse with the need to see it worthy to be in the schedule. However, it is the duty of my ministry to ensure that there is a good coexistence between the wildlife and the people. And therefore, we are coming up with what we are calling the wildlife economy, where we are pursuing matters of looking at some of the wildlife that are not in these schedules and they're causing menace, to see how we can come up with strategies that we can develop wildlife economy from them and probably